Hello everyone, this is Meghana. Let's discuss about one of the topic from the traffic engineering has a second topic, that is promotion and integration of public transportation and promotion of non-motorized transportation. So let's get started. What are the importance of sustainable transportation? The name itself is determining that sustainable transportation, where it is essential for building a livable or equitable and environmental friendly communities, whereby prioritizing the public transit, walking and cycling, that we can reduce our carbon footprint, or where in the age of congestion and improve the public health. Investing in sustainable transportation infrastructure is a key step toward creating a sustainable future for all. How we can promote a public transportation? By encouraging the use of public transportation is a crucial step in the way of building a more sustainable and equitable transportation systems, and even by making transit a convenient, accessible and also by attractive options, we can reduce our reliance on private vehicles and also the associated environmental and social impacts. The strategies which are implemented in order to promote the public transportation, which includes improving service frequencies and also by expanding routes and coverage areas and also for the enhancement of the overall rider experiences, where this can involve investing in modern comfortable vehicles, for implementation of dedicated bus lines to ensure reliable travel times, and integrating digital technologies for seamless technologies and also for seamless trip planning and also ticketing. There are 3 points where the main 3 points in order to promote our public transportation, they are: enhance a service quality and reliability of public transit, expand coverage and connectivity to each more community in order to reach more communities, and the third one is the integrate multimodal options for seamless transportation. How an expanding transportation, that too in a public transit infrastructure. The first one is building modern transit hubs, where investing in the state of art transits, the stations and terminals is crucial for creating an efficient and inviting public transportation networks. These hubs should feature seamless connections and between the different modes of transit, ample seating and shelter, real-time informations that displays and initiative web finding in order to make the community experiences which are comfortable and also conveying for all the riders. The next one is dedicated transit corridors, establishing dedicated lanes and right of ways for buses, light rail and other forms of public transit helps in to ensure reliable and also efficient services, whereby unimpeded by general traffic congestions. These transit only coordinates prioritize the movement of people over a private vehicles, whereby reducing travel times and also encouraging a greater riderships. The third most point is embracing sustainable fleets. Transition to eco-friendly electric or hybrid vehicle fleets not only reduces emissions and environmental impact, but also they showcases a city's commitment in order for the sustainability. And these modern, quiet and energy efficient transit options are provide a more comfortable and appealing travel for experiences for the riders, while contributing to the broader goal of carbon reduction. How an accessibility and connectivity are improving. They are improving with the three ways with an inclusive design, streamlined wayfinding, and seamless connections. The first one, what is meant by inclusive design? It's a way of designing a public transit infrastructure with the accessibility in a mind ensures that people of all abilities can utilize the system. Features like level boarding, wide access, and a tactical guidelines help in order to create an inclusive and welcoming environment for the riders with disabilities. The next one is streamlined wayfinding. Clear initiatives taken and digital wayfinding tools empower riders to navigate through the transit system with an ease of it. Real-time arrival of information or a step-by-step trip planning, multilingual support in order to make the commuting experiences accessible and stress-free for all the people. Seamless connections are the integrating public transportation with other mobility options such as bike sharing and micro transit, which creates a connected and a flexible transportation networks where riders can seamlessly transition between the uh, different modes by enhancing the overall accessibility and convenience for the sustainable travel. Incentivization public transportation ridership. The first one is pricing incentives and were offered discounted fares and passes. The next one is an employer sponsored programs where it encourages the business in order to subsidies for the employee transits. The third one is a loyalty programs where it going to give a reward for the frequent riders with perks and benefits. To boost ridership, it's a crucial in order to make public transportation an attractive and cost effective options for the commuters where these can be achieved through a range of inconvenience from discounted fares and passes to the employer sponsored programs. That programs are subsidies employee transit. Loyal programs that reward frequent riders with the perks and benefits also can also ensure with an encouraged movement in order to continued usage of the public transits. By lowering the financial barrier in between the rider and the rider and the pass which are provided by the provided for the pricing incentives, uh, and also by lowering the financial barrier and creating a positive rider experiences. These experiences and also these strategies can drive increased adaptation of sustainable transportation choices. Like integration, after that the integration of public transportation with other modes of transportation where in order to create a truly comprehensive and seamless transportation network it essential in order to integrate public transit with other suitable mobility options by enabling smooth connection between the buses, trains, bikes, scooters, and also even the ride sharing services where commuters can enjoy a multimodal journey that caters to the diverse needs and preferences. Strategical placed intermodal hubs equipped with bike sharing stations, electric vehicle charging points, and a real time information displays empowered riders to transition between the modes with ease. This integration promotes door to door mobility, reduces the need of a private car or a private vehicle ownership, and encourages the use of eco friendly transportation with alternatives. How a non motorized transportation is going to encourage the society, whereby pedestrian friendly design, um, by creating a walkable neighborhoods with a wide sidewalks and upheld street lighting and a safe crossing encourages the residents in order to leave their cars at home and explore their communities on the foot. This not only reduces emission but also promotes a physical activity and also a community engagement. The next one is a bike friendly infrastructure. Investing a robust network of bike lanes and a bike path and with a secure bike parking makes a cycling a safe and also convenient and attractive transportation option, where it initiates the like bike sharing program further expand access to this eco-friendly mode of mobility. The last one is education and the outreach, where educating the public on the benefit of walking, cycling, and other non motorized actions or a modes that can help to shift minds and inspire more people in order to adopt these sustainable practices. And the targeted outreach campaigns and also the community events can promote the advantages of active transportation. The next one is developing pedestrian friendly environments, where as we have discussed in a before slide, that by creating a walkable pedestrian friendly neighbors is essential for promoting an active transportation and also the improving quality of lives. By designing streets and public spaces that prioritize the needs of pedestrians, we can encourage more people to leave their cars behind and explore their communities on their foot. Key features of pedestrian oriented design include wide sidewalks, attempted street light, benches, and the shade structure are clearly marked crosswalks. These elements not only enhances a safety and comfortable for the pedestrians but also foster a sense of community and social interactions. By promoting a cycling and a bike sharing programs, we can implement the non-motorized works, where bike friendly infrastructure is expanding a robust network for dedicated bike lanes, trails, and secure bike parking facilities, where creates a safe and inventing environment for the cyclist. These infrastructure encourages more people to choose bicycles as a convenient and eco-friendly mode of transportation. Bike sharing initiatives were implementing a comprehensive bike sharing programs with convenient located stations and modern, well maintained bicycles make cycling accessible to the wider population. And these programs reduces barrier between bike ownership and promote a spontaneous one-way trips throughout the cities. Incentives and outreach. Offering incentives like discounted bike purchases or tax credits or commuter benefits can motivate the resident in order to adapt cycling as their primary mode of transportation. Coupled with educational campaigns and community events, these initiatives help in order to normalize and recognize cycling as a viable and sustainable transportation choices. Towards a greener, more efficient transportation future. As we strive to create a more sustainable and equitable transportation landscapes, the path forward lies in a comprehensive approach that integrates a public transit and non-motorized modes and also innovative mobility solutions we have implemented. And by embracing this holistic vision, we can unlock a future for the clean air and also reduced congestion, reduced traffic, and with the improved quality of life for all. Thank you for watching the video.